Good morning, students. This is your maths class, and in the last class, if you remember, we had done up to exercise 8.2. Okay, I had asked you to do question number 2 and 3. Okay, now today we are going to learn about weight. Okay, this is on page number 112. Okay, so what is weight? Weight means how heavy or light an object is. What is weight? Weight means how heavy or light an object is. A light object is measured in grams. Okay, a weight or an object which is lighter, okay, is measured in grams, while a heavy object is measured in kilograms. Okay, you should remember 1000 grams makes 1 kilogram, or 1000 gram, which this is the symbol of for grams, is equal to 1 kg. Okay, kg is symbol for kilogram. Okay, now we have standard weights to weigh an object. Some of the standard weights available are given below: 50 gram, 100 gram, 250 gram, 500 gram, 1 kg, 2 kg, 5 kg, 10 kg. Okay, now some of you must have seen the standard weights used by the shopkeepers, okay, or vegetable vendors. Okay, now we will learn about conversion of kilograms into grams. Okay, to convert weight given in kilograms into grams, we multiply by 1000. For example, if there is 2 kg and you want to convert it into grams, 2 into 1000 g or gram, okay, is equal to 200 gram. 9 kg is equal to 9 into 1000 g, or gram is equal to 9000 gram. 12 kg is equal to 12 into 1000 gram will make 12,000 gram. There's a quick tip over here. To convert kg into gram, put 3 zeros to the right of the number. Okay. Now example 7. Sid bought 5 kg 450 gram of rice from a department store. How much is the weight of rice in grams? Solution: 5 kg and 450 grams, isn't it? This is the weight of rice that he bought from departmental store. Now you have to convert the weight into grams. So you leave 450 kgs aside. Okay, you just convert 5 kg into gram. That will be 5 into 1000 g. You put this in bracket. Okay, that will be 5000 gram. 5 kg 450 gram is equal to, you have converted 5 kg into gram, that is 5000 gram, plus 450 gram is equal to 5450 grams. So the weight of rice is 5450 gram. Here they have given you some more information. 1 kg is equal to 500 gram plus 500 gram. It's, you already know 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram, or 1000 gram makes 1 kg. So that can also be 500 plus 500 grams. Okay, 1 kg is equal to 2 500 gram weights. Now 1 kg, if you convert it into 4 parts of grams, that will make 250 grams, 250 grams, 250 grams, 250 grams. This will make 1000 gram. That will be 1 kg. 1 kg is equal to 4 250 gram weights. Okay, this is 250 grams weights, and this is 550 gram weight. Okay. Now conversion of grams into kilograms. How to convert grams into kilograms? We can convert weight given in grams into kilograms by dividing it by 1000. For example, if you have got 1000 gram, you have to convert it into kg. You will divide 1000 by 1000 Okay, put it in bracket and write kg over here, and is equal to 1 kg. 5000 gram is equal to 5000 divided by 1000 kg. All these three zeros will be cancelled. Okay, that will make 5 kg. Now 17,000 gram is equal to 17,000 divided by 1000. You will put it in bracket and write kg is equal to 17 kg. Okay, now example 8, convert 1879 grams into kilograms and grams. Now you have got 1879 grams into kilograms and grams. You put this 879 aside and write 1000 first. Okay, one you can see here in the solution 1875 gram is equal to 1000 gram plus 879 grams. Now 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg, you already know that, plus 879 gram. So here is your answer, 1 kg 879 gram. You have to convert this into kilograms and grams. A quick tip, when you convert gram into kg and gram, the last three digits always stand for grams. Like here 1005 grams, the last three digit stands for grams and the first digit stands for kg, 1 kg. 3150 grams, the last three numbers stands for gram, 150 gram, and the first number, which is 3, stands for kg, 3 kg. Okay, now exercise 8.3, convert into grams. Okay, now you can see here the first question is 6 kg. The first question is 6 kg. Now if you have to convert this into gram, this will be equal to 6 into 1000 gram, that will make 6000 grams. This is your answer. Now there's another type of question where kg and gram are both are given over here. Now the few questions like this. Okay, I'll do one for you. Question number D, you can see there it's written 2 kg and 350 grams. First you just convert this kg into gram. Okay, now 2 into 1000 gram. Okay, this will make 2000, sorry this will make 2000. Okay, plus this will be gram plus 350 gram. Okay, this will be 2350. When you add these two, 2000 and 350, this will make 2350 gram. This is your answer. You have to convert into grams. Okay, now to the next page. Here it's written convert into kilograms and grams. Question number 2, convert into kilograms and grams. Okay, now question number A, you have got 8000 grams in question number A. Okay, yeah. So when you excuse me, convert gram into kilogram, you divide it by 1000. Okay, or you can write this in this manner: 8000 divided by 1000. Okay, gram. Okay, and you cancel the zeros. 1 2 3 zeros, so there are 3 zeros on the numerator and denominator. So you cancel them equally. Okay, now this will become 8 kg. Okay, another one, question number, I'll take G. Okay, in G it's written 5159 grams. 5159 grams. Okay, now when you convert this, take 5000 away from 5159 and plus 159 grams. Okay, you can see here in the example they have given 1879. 1000 you write it first. Okay, 1000 gram plus 879 gram. Now when you convert 5000 gram into kg, you divide it by 1000. Okay, you'll write kg over here plus 159 grams. Now if you make this type of calculation, again look at here, you have to cancel 3 zeros on the both sides. This is denominator, this is numerator, this is denominator. Now what is left? 5. So you will write 5 kg plus 1, you don't have to write plus 159 grams. This is your answer. Okay. Now in question number 3 it's written guess and match the columns. There's a, in column A, in the first question there's a packet of biscuit. Okay, now a packet of biscuit will weigh around 100 grams. So you will write A beside 100 grams. Okay, now there is a sack of sugar over here. Okay, now this will weigh around 5 kgs. Okay, so you'll write B over here. Okay, there's a toffee in question number C. Okay, so this will weigh around 1 gram. So you'll write C over here. In question number D, there's a picture of an elephant. Now elephant will weigh around 550 kg. Okay, elephants will weigh more than 550 kg, but here there's a picture of a baby elephant, so it will weigh around 550 kg. Okay, now in question number E, there's a picture of a bar of chocolates. Okay, so this will weigh around 25 grams. So you'll write E over here. Now question number 4, fill in the blanks. You have to convert 3065 kg into kg and grams. You will do the calculation either do the calculation in this manner, use this tip. They have said in this tip, when we convert gram into kg and gram, the last 3 digits always stand for gram. Okay, the first digit will stand for kg. Here there are 1005 gram, so the last three digits stands for gram, so you cannot write zeros before a number, so you will write 5 gram and 1 kg. Similarly, over here you can see the last three digits will stand for gram. Now you cannot write 0 before a number, so you'll write 65 gram, and the first digit will stand for kg, so you'll write 3 kgs. Okay, similarly you will do these questions.